welcome to my channel. It's Miss Mouse here. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I am back with another video. I'm going to be doing a hair video showing you guys how I am going to be doing my box braids. And guys, I went over the board. Okay, I went over the board. Guess what color I am going for today? Oh child, I can't even believe it myself that I am actually doing this. Okay, I can't believe it. Okay guys, so today we are going with the metal.
Guys, the actual name is Vintage Rose from Expressions.
Like pink, as you can see it. Oops, sorry. Today we are going with this metallic pink. As you can see it, it's nice and beautiful guys, but I'm a bit skeptical. I'm not sure if this color is going to suit me with my with my complexion and stuff. But obviously your girl loves colors. But every time, listen to this, every time I go to the shops, yeah, in the hair shop, wanting to buy wanting to buy braids, the colorful ones, and I will end up coming out holding the black ones. The black ones, can you just imagine the black ones? When I be telling myself that, okay, you know what, this time I want to do all like blue, I want to go for like yellow, purple, and your girl will come out with black, so I thought today, let me be brave enough guys, to try out this metallic pink. And I am super excited and skeptical at the same time, because I am not sure if this hair is going to look good on me. Okay, I am just not sure. But as you can see, my hair is already blow dried guys. It's natural, natural gang here, gang, natural. Okay, so yeah, we're going to be dealing with this hair. I've already moisturized it. I've applied all the moisturizers, the oils I use in my hair. Yeah, all is done. So before we get into the video, please make sure you subscribe, you press the bell button in case every time I upload you get a notification. And please help your girl subscribe, because we are on our way to 1K. Oh my god, I am super excited. I can't believe this. But anyway guys, support your girl. So yeah, let's get straight into the video.
Alright guys, so now I am cutting my braids in half because I don't want them to be too long, and I'm going to start stretching them, as you can see right now. If you do braids, and I'm going to use my coconut oil to apply on my braids. I always do that so that they can smell nice, and I'll start brushing them to detangle them.
Okay guys, so now I am going to put my hair into 4 sections to make the process easier and quicker. That way, if I put my hair into sections, it'll be quicker for me, because I will know that once I'm done another section, then I'll jump into another section, and then that way it's less time for me. That's what I think. For me, it's less time. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do.
Okay guys, so now I am putting my hair into sections. As you can see, I'm opening a line in the middle. It doesn't really have to be perfect, but you just need 2 mirrors so you'll be able to try to make it straight. And I am just putting my hair bubbles to create them little bunnies so that we can have our section. So yeah, that's it guys.
Okay guys, so I am done sectioning my hair, and I left one side here, as you can see, so that's where I am going to start doing my box braids. So now we have 3 sections left. So yeah, let's get started. I'm excited. Okay. Period. Period. Okay guys, straight into it. I managed to do half of my hair, as you can see. Oh my god, I think they are coming out nice. What do you all think? And I was trying to hide my hair, as you can see, you know, but obviously it was a struggle and it takes time. You know, I'll take forever to actually do this hair if I try to hide the hair and stuff like that, but I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I think I like it. I just can't wait, you know, to see it when it's done. You get what I mean? So now I'm about to start the other side, but I'm not going to do much on this side because I have to get ready to go to work. So I guess I'm just gonna finish my hair tomorrow, or I'll try to do a bit at work, you know, on my break or something. I'm not sure, I don't know guys, but yeah, you know, it is what it is. You know, box braids, this is 5 hours later, 5 flipping hours later, okay, because I started at 3 and now it's 8 in the evening. So yeah, so I guess this is going to be out of 5 hours, and altogether will be 10 hours. Okay, will be 10 hours. But anywho, I shall see you all tomorrow, you know, when I'm finishing my hair or when it's already done, but I'll try to finish it with you guys. Yeah, so thank you, see you tomorrow, have a good night, bye. Good morning guys, how are you? So I am back from work guys. Let's crack on, let's finish this hair. I literally went to work like this with my duku on. Okay, yes, my duku on. If you don't know what's duku, it's a head wrap. If you're from Zimbabwe, you will know what's duku. Okay, I went looking like Muskana Webasa. Damn, yes, Muskana Webasa at work. But obviously I was Muskana Webasa at work, you get what I mean? Yes, I was at Muskana Webasa. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna take off this, and then, you know, then we're just gonna start and finish our hair. Okay, this is how I did my hair. I wrapped it around like this, then I put my head wrap. Oh, I think the hair is coming out nice. And yesterday I managed to do a bit of my back. Guys, you don't even understand how excited I am. I'm about to finish. As you can see, I have this small portion here. Oh my god, I am really tired. This is like what, 3 hours now. Yeah, 3 good hours. Okay, so if I were to do my hair same day, maybe it was going to take me around 8 hours, but obviously because I had to go to work. But anyway, let's finish it, bitches. Okay, hey, oh my god, I can't believe this year is about to finish, and I'm really excited. I'm tired at the same time. Yeah, bitches. Okay guys, I'm just getting hyper and crazy because I'm about to finish. All right, bye. We are doing last one. Guys, can you see the excitement right now? The excitement! Woohoo! Bitch is gonna see me. Bitch is gonna see me slaying this hair, darling. Guys, I literally used 2 packs, okay? 2 packs and a bit from the 3rd packet. I don't even know, like, you know, why I had to open the 3rd packet, seriously, because the you know, like the 3rd one, I only needed braids for, well, I only needed for 3 braids. That's it. How can I even open the whole flipping packet for 3 braids? You know what, I'm just mad at this, but anyway, it's okay. Or you know what, we just need to finish this year. We have to finish this year. That's all matters, guys. And I'm really happy. I'm really happy, excited. Ha ha ha. So yeah, this hair took us at least 3 good hours. Now it's 1 in the afternoon. Oops. Now it's 1, and if you can see it, yeah, 4 minutes past 1. Alright guys, so my hair, it is done. It is done. Okay, so I am going to use my coconut shine. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, I'm going to use this coconut spray, and I'm going to spray it in my scalp, you know, because we don't want dry scalp. Okay, we want these braids, you know, to last at least 3 weeks. So I'm going to spray that in my scalp, massage it with my fingers, as you can see. I don't know if I'm massaging or I'm just rubbing it. But anyway, yeah, let's put the product. It smells so good. It smells really good. Hey you all guys, I am back. As you can see, my hair, it is looking lovely. Oh my god, I can't believe this, guys, because I was really skeptical, you know, about this hair. I was really scared because I was not sure if it was going to look nice, you know, on my complexion and stuff like that, but I quite like it. Like, I really like it. Don't know what you all think, guys. You tell me what you all think, guys. Look at this. This is beautiful. I don't know if I should call this box braids or just normal braids. What's box braids? What's normal braids? I don't know, but I don't know if I should call these box braids because these are quite small and they are not knotless. These are just like thin box braids. I'll just say thin box braids, okay? So yeah, like, look at this, guys. This here, oh my god, it's really beautiful. I really love it. Okay, your girl loves it a lot. You're just gonna see me rocking. You're gonna see me rocking. You're just gonna see me rocking. You're just gonna see me rocking. Rocking. Again, guys, if you'd like to see how I achieved this makeup look, and then make sure you go and, you know, check me out on my Instagram, because that's where the video is. And please subscribe and comment if you'd like to see more videos like this. Then let me know, guys. Let me know, because I'm literally planning. I'm planning a lot, guys. I am really planning a lot. So I'm gonna be bringing you more videos, okay? I'm just gonna be serving you with lots of videos, with lots of content, okay? I have so many plans. I have so many plans for you guys, period. Oh, I'm sorry, guys, like, I just can't stop looking at myself right now, like, from the makeup, you know, my hair. Oh, everything is giving me life right now. Everything is giving me life. Okay, guys, subscribe to my channel. It is free to subscribe. It is free. If you are new, then please make sure you press that subscribe button and the bell in case if I upload any video, you know, you'll be notified. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, I shall see you all in the next video. Peace and love. Bye.